Okay, now this is another beautiful 18-inch lace top wig. I added hair in the hairline, and I actually tinted the lining of the lace. Now, a lot of the times there is a lining in some of the lace top wigs, not all the time, but there is a lining sometimes, and this lining is normally pretty light, and that could be a little tricky for darker complexions, but I tinted the lining so that it would look a little more natural as far as transitioning for darker skin. Now, the lining sometimes is off-putting, but it serves a purpose. The lining does give a fleshy bottom to your wig, but it also serves to protect the knots on the wig. So there is the benefit to it. It's not for everybody. I like it, but it's not for everybody. And the good thing is, if you decide that the lining is not right for you, you can just remove the lining. Another thing that's good about the lining is you only really need to bleach knots if they're large. Sometimes they can be really, really big, but really, really small knots, you don't have to bleach, okay? And you still want to protect those because you still want the wig to look nice. Now, these have not been bleached. They're tiny, so it looks really natural. My goal for the wigs that I offer is that I want anybody to be able to wear one of my wigs or one of the wigs that I sell. I want it to be no fuss, it's no adhesive, no melting. You just pop it on and go. That's what I want, because, you know, honestly, I could put clients in a position where they need to see me every 2 weeks. But I don't want that. I want you to feel confident to go anywhere and only bring the wig in for maintenance or if you need a new wig. I don't want you to need to come into the salon every 2 weeks, because I know that we're busy. Nobody has time for that. So that's the goal with my pieces. Some wear wigs every once in a while for fashion, just to switch it up, to switch up the look, right? And some women wear them as hair systems, and they're everyday pieces. It's like a prosthetic. It is now, they wear this piece as their hair, their everyday hair. And those are the types of pieces that I offer, because I don't consider myself a wig seller. My salon is an alternative hair salon in general, and we do hair rejuvenation. So that's what my salon is. So I don't consider myself a seller. I just happen to offer beautiful pieces.